Hi everyone, in today's video we will be checking out the Eksa W1 RGB headset stand. It is a versatile, modern and sleek looking headset stand that gaming enthusiasts like me can use it to rest our gaming headsets when playing our favorite games. It serves as a mini dock station with some ports that I can plug my USB and microphone devices in for use during gaming. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one user guide to help guide users on the usage and installation process of the product. Also included is a pack of screws and a screwdriver for me to use during setup. A USB-C power cable is provided to power up the lighted headset stand. Lastly, the Eksa W1 RGB headset stand comes packed nicely in the retail box, fitted nicely in dedicated slots. On first look, the stand is disassembled during packing. Installation is easy. I can use the screws and screwdriver provided conveniently for me to screw the stand onto the base. I completed it in under 3 minutes. Now it is all done and ready to use. Hands on the product, it feels really sturdy and solid. With a modern design to it, the Eksa branding is nicely at the side of the device, and there are multiple slots as you see for different uses, like a slot for USB devices, a microphone slot, a mic and audio slot, as well as an audio slot, all fitted and arranged nicely on the stand. There is a secondary USB slot on the top of the stand for your other devices. What I like is the base. It is non-slip and weighted, therefore it doesn't slide around easily when in use. Ergonomic feature for users like me. Now, let's power it up. Use the USB-C power cable to get it powered. Next, plug it into the computer or laptop, depending on where you are using it. Once plugged in, it lights up instantaneously. Just look at the vibrant colors displayed on the Eksa W1 headset stand. It looks so amazing. I can plug in my headset into the W1 headset stand, using the USB and audio cable ports fitted on the stand. It connects effortlessly and doesn't cause a mess as everything looks so organized. There is touch control on the headset stand, as you see here. Just touch the sensor at the side of the stand to change the color tone of the W1 headset stand. Get it interchanged into multiple different light patterns. Depending on your liking and preference, with a headset stand, I have a more organized and mess-free gaming desk set up. Everything is fitted nicely in place, and with the RGB lighting effect, it makes it so much better and vibrant. Overall, I find the Eksa W1 headset stand a good option for people like me who desire a headset stand that is in line with my gaming setup. It matches nicely with its black tone and RGB lights. I can wow my friends when they come over next time. If you would like to find out more about the Eksa W1 headset stand, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.